Today, we're diving into a powerful concept in Python, and that is decorators. Decorators might sound fancy, but they're actually a way to essentially add superpowers to your functions without permanently changing your code. So imagine you bake a delicious cake. Now, you could just eat it plain, but wouldn't it be better with some frosting or sprinkles? Decorators are just like those extra toppings. They take an existing function, add some functionality before or after it runs, and then return a modified version. So there are several reasons why decorators can be super useful. Code reusability, code readability, or code maintainability. These are three big reasons. So now let's see how decorators work with a practical example. We'll create a decorator that logs the name and arguments of a function whenever it's called. So first, we'll define a simple function called greet that takes a name and a message as arguments. And now here's where things get interesting. We're going to use a decorator named log function call. This decorator will take a function as an argument and return a modified version with logging functionality. So our decorator log function call takes another function, func or func, as the input. Inside the decorator, we define a nested function called wrapper. This is the magic that will be executed when we call the decorated function. The wrapper function first logs the name of the decorated function and its arguments, and then it calls the original function using args and kwargs to pass on any arguments. Finally, it returns the result of the original function. So here's the cool part. We can use the @ symbol to apply the decorator to our greet function. And so when we call greet, the decorator will intercept it first. Let's see what happens. And so if we do this with greet, you can see that the decorator logged the function name and arguments before calling the original greet function. This is a basic example of how decorators work. You can create decorators for various purposes, making your Python code cleaner, more modular, and easier to maintain. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, and leave a comment letting me know what topic I should cover next.